Okay, here you can see that I have prevented skipping and I've created a due date, and then we'll go ahead and watch it in student view.
First, how to chop an onion. This is the root. That's absolutely crucial. Leave that on there. If you cut that off, the onion will start to bleed and you'll start crying rapidly. Slice going forward. Let the weight of the knife do the work. 3 fingers, 1 in front, 2 behind. And this part of the knuckle is going to guide the knife. Fingers on top of the onion, point the knife towards the root and try to get as close to the root as possible. Nice, long stroke. And then push the onion back together. Push the knife halfway into the onion. Slightly tilt the knife down. 1 at the top. And then gripping the onion like a tennis ball, holding it together in place.
Notice here how he is holding his fingers.
Yeah.
With the weight of the blade to cut through that onion to get to the base of the root. Again, turn it round, up and down motion, and that's what we're left there. No.
Shout out to her for doing my job for me, because, I'm not into it. You see you, girl, not today. Oh my god.
No waste, just the root.